okay? Go easy on it. A little bit.
Not the best.
Takes a while to be its own.
Hungry. You should cook some sausages. Do you have any sausages? What do you mean by that? Why did I say me? Can we cook up some sausages? Oh, I have lost in my brain.
She'll be fine. That happened to you the first time. Oh. I was going to say, you know this man, right? Yeah. Exactly like bona fide BFF. Why are you in such a hurry to leave now? Well, according to the government, I've fulfilled my usefulness. I told them everything I know. The only thing I've left off now are my abilities.
Weirdo.
Thought transfer, camouflage. In order to cultivate those abilities, they need some of my stem cells. And I'm not really down with that. Lucky for me, I do have one that left on the inside. So I'm actually getting SOSD in the space. I got my people primed and ready to pick me up. And motherfuckers brought the procedure forward by a day. My whole plan goes to shit. What happened? We in the metal labs? That last court, I stole his car, I took off. Kind of you guys. So what happens if you get cold? Graham, they're gonna cut out my brain. Oh. Yeah, it's fun. Gotta love those kids. Look like the movie. Shall we, Clive? When did you last get laid? Oh. Kleptomania London away? He won't see. Clive like Tony, space, space. No, seriously, be honest with me. What was it like? Well, she was very nice. That's it. Oh, that's gross. Oh, well, something. Hot. Okay. We gotta get out of here. Where's Ruth? She went back to the RV. He can read minds. Come on. Dad, I think we have a slight problem over here. I can't hold my breath the whole way through town. Morning, Agent Doyle, Secret Service. Mind if I come in there and ask a few questions? Holding. Why are we holding papers? Is it like a family? Yeah, the fucking freedmen. You're in just a midget. I'm not. Walking down the street with a small Cadillac. Flashlight. Cut. Oh, come on.
Haha, stupid dog. Hey, stop it. Psycho. Get off it. The cat is eating your tail, you retard.
Morning, my name is Agent Doyle, Secret Service. Mind if I come in and ask you a few questions?
That's fine for this, do it right here.
Okay.
This place is a real half-stuck mess.
Got it. I'm telling you, We're looking for a goddamn alien. Oh, no, Project Bigfoot stuff was great. Not all that stuff. You know, hush hush crap, the drawing that I found. What do you think that fool was talking about last night? Oh. Yeah. Take that ball? Was Holton? He's serious.
You just don't stop, do you?
Is that you on the cover?
Dummy.